Okay, so that's one video. Now, this is the continuation of that video. So this is where we left off, and we have a form. Great. Now, we still have one more thing that we need to do. So go ahead and open up your text editor or whatever you're using, and you're going to say File New. And this time, we are going to put that doc type in there again. So let me go back into my feedback form, copy it, and I'm going to paste it. Now, this one is going to be saved differently. This is going to be, so we're going to say File, Save As, and again, this is going to go into your htdocs. So you've got to go find your exam folder and then find that htdocs folder, and this is going to be handle_form.php. Okay, and save. Mine's already there, but that's fine. So it's handle_form.php. So this is the PHP that we made reference in the HTML. Now, after this, we've opened our HTML up. So we need to open up HTML tag for the whole document that everything nests in, right? We've done this before. Now, what other elements? Basic elements on all of these. Head is in every document, and then we have a title tag that's also resides inside of the head tag, right? Now, inside this title tag, we're calling it feedback. That's it, feedback. And we'll break that out. After the head tag is the body tag. We've done this. And this is where the content is. Now, this is where the PHP is going to go. And I don't like the HTML all by itself. Notice how it changes colors if I make a mistake. See, pay attention. It's going to show you where the errors are if you're paying attention to it. So the first thing I need to do for PHP is I need to say we're going to write a PHP script. And how we know this is doing :PHP. That's how we open up a PHP script. And then we close it with also using, we'll just reverse it. It'll be $. So this is a PHP, and this is just a very simple script that we're going to do. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get some variables together here. Now, remember, a variable is a container for information. So we know this is a variable because we're using the $sign. In PHP, that's how they denote their variables. So the first one is title. And so what we want to do, what we're trying to do is we're saying, okay, we need you to, they're going to be able to write in here. So we're going to ask them to have control over that. It's going to take the information that they put, your user puts in the title. So all we're doing is saying, okay, we want you to take that title information and we want you to post it. So it's _post. And this is going to be square brackets with single quotations. And I had students one time pasting from the book, and they're like, it doesn't work. Well, you can't paste from the ebooks because what happens is quotation marks aren't recognized. For some reason, they don't translate when you do that. So be very careful if you ever do that. So that's the first one, is we need to do that. Now we need to do this for all of those. Remember, we had name, response, and comment. So we have to do that for all of them. So we have to do name. _post. I could just copy and paste it. Square bracket. Oh, that's not a square bracket. Square bracket, single quotation, and then it's name. And then notice it's a semicolon at the end. You should start seeing some common denominators between your programming languages, like I wrote in my post for this week. And I'm just going to copy this twice because I'm lazy. So the second one, or the third one, is response. And inside here is response. And the last one is comments. And inside is comments. I just don't know. Why reinvent the wheel if the wheel's already been invented, right? Okay, so there's all our variables. We're asking it. We're asking the PHP. The PHP is asking it, okay, we need you. When we run this script, we want you to give us, post what's in those fields, okay? Now it's going to pull that information, but it's not going to do it until we say, so it's going to pull that information, but then we're going to make a little script. So now we're going to do, here we're going to say print, and this is double quotation with a P tag, and it's going to say thank you, and now we're going to call in those variables so that it'll place it in our little script here. So it's going to be question mark title. So it's going to be thank you, Mr. Space, question mark name, comma, for your comments, period. And then we want to close the P tag. Okay, now on the next line, we're going to type in another P tag. And this one's going to be you stated that you found this example to be, and then we're now going to be adding the other two. And this is a single quotation. Come on, I just need a single quotation. So $ response. And that's in that. And then and added. And then in here, we're going to do a page, we're going to do a break. And then we have to call up that last variable, which is comments. And close the P tag. Okay. $ response and added. Okay. Then we have to close this by reversing the P tag. Okay, so now it's closed. Now let's go ahead and save this, file save, and let's see if we can get this to run. All right, now I have my form here, and if I go Ms. Melissa, email address, this was excellent, best day of my life. Let's see if we can get our feedback. All right, so something's on line 15. There's something wrong with line 15. Yeah, it looked a little funky for me because there's the and. Okay, so you stated that you found this example, RESPONSE, and added you know what it is? I forgot a semicolon at the very end of it. Need a semicolon. If you don't have a semicolon at the end, it's not going to work very well. Now, something just changed on me. So why did that just change? You stated that you found this example to be an added. Notice that the color just changed on me. All right, let me just All right, let me say file save. Let's see what happens. Back up. Okay, it still says line 15. P. You stated that you found this example to be. But something's still wrong here. Because this is all the wrong color. R-E-S-P-O-N-S-E, post, R-E-S-P-O-N-S-E, comments, post, comments, name, post, underscore post. All right, let me. So that's correct. So I wonder where the problem was. I do not know. This is very, very strange. All right, file save. Let's try it again. Perfect. All right. So thank you, Ms. Melissa, for your comments. You stated that you found this example to be excellent, and added best day of my life. So this code is correct. It was in here. That response was the wrong color. All right, well, this is the right code, guys. So now you have to make sure, so that's what you have to make sure that you test it. So what I need for this assignment is you need to show me this, take a screenshot, and then you need to send your feedback, and then you need to show me this, because that's going to show me that the PHP is working, okay? If you have any problems, let me know. If you need me to look over your code, send it my way. I'll be happy to look at it. But this should get you through this assignment, okay? All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.